Hello student, our next topic is thermal expansion. As almost all the substances, whether solid or liquid or gas, expand on heating and contract on cooling. So thermal expansion means increase in the size of a substance on heating, चाहे वो solid हो, liquid हो, gaseous form में हो, सभी substances on heating उनका size increase करेगा. Gases expands much more than liquids and liquids expands much more than solids. For a given rise in temperature, gases ज़्यादा expand करती हैं liquid से, liquid solid से ज़्यादा expand करेंगे at a given temperature. That means to say at for a given rise in temperature. Now we will discuss thermal expansion in solids. As we know that solid has definite shape and size, and on heating a solid expands in all the directions. As the molecules are tightly packed in solids, thermal expansion of solid is small. जैसे कि हमें पता है कि molecules बहुत tightly packed होते हैं solid में than that of liquid and gas, so इनमें जो thermal expansion होगी वो बहुत small होगी. So let us perform some activities to show the expansion in solids, and the activity 1, that is to show thermal expansion of solids using bar and gauge experiment. Now look at that in the diagram. This is the gauge and this is the bar. So with the help of this bar and gauge we will show that how the solids are expands. So heat expansion of solid. Now look at that. We have a metal bar will just fit into the gap in the gauge when both the bar and gauge are cool. Now heat the bar over a Bunsen burner flame. Look at that. So now look at that. The gauge shows that the bar has increased in length after heating and not fitted in the gauge. Now when the bar is cooled, it comes into its normal position. The bar fit into the gap in the gauge again. So it shows that the bar expands on heating and contract on cooling. Now in activity 2, to demonstrate thermal expansion of solids using Clausius's ring and ball experiment. In this experiment, we will again show that solids are expanding on heating and contracting on cooling. So look at the activity. We have a metallic ring and a metallic ball. The outer diameter of the metallic ball and the diameter of the ring are equal. So initially, ball will pass through ring easily. Now heat the ball strongly for a few minutes. Then you will observe that the ball is not passed through the ring because its diameter have increased. Now after some time, when the ball is cool, it again passes through the ring. So again this activity shows that solids expands on heating and contract on cooling.